Question 14. Are the following statements true or false? Circle the correct answer. You must give a full explanation for your decision in each case. So you need to remember to give examples. When a number that ends in 8 is divided by 2, the answer is always a multiple of 4. True or false? So write down the options that you can think of. So a number ending in 8, well, let's try 8 to start with, divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the answer, it says, is always a multiple of 4. Well, a multiple sounds like multiply, and when we multiply, we use our times tables. So a multiple is any number in the 4 times table. Excuse me. So this here, the answer is 4. Well, that is obviously a multiple of 4. So that works out true. Let's try the next number that ends in 8. The next number that ends in 8 would be 18. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Is that answer a multiple of 4? Is 9 in the 4 times table? 4, 8, 12. No, it's not. So now we've just proved that the answer is not always a multiple of 4 because it doesn't work here. So that there is false. So to get the 1 mark, you have to have circled false and you have to have given a statement saying that it was false to prove what you've worked out. This will give you 1 mark. If you just circle false, they won't allow you the 1 mark. Part B. When 2 consecutive whole numbers are multiplied together, the answer is always an even number. So we've got consecutive whole numbers. So that means numbers that follow each other are multiplied together. The answer is always an even number. So we have to do the same thing here. We have to work out if it's true or false and then explain why. So let's have a look at consecutive whole numbers. Let's start off with 1 times 2. They follow each other, so they're consecutive and they're whole numbers. Well, 1 times 2 is 2. So that is an even number. So that is true there. Let's have a look at the next ones. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is an even number. Remember, even numbers are anything in the 2 times table. So that is also true here. Let's have a look at the next ones. 3 times 4. 3 times 4 is 12. That's also an even number. So again, that's proved it true. So here, the answer is true. So you'll get 1 mark for saying true and proving it. However, in this case, you need to state the reason why. So the reason why, when 2 consecutive whole numbers are multiplied together, the answer is always an even number, is because each time the numbers are consecutive, you have 1 odd number and 1 even number. 1 odd number, 1 even number, 1 odd number, 1 even number. So when you times the answer, something times an even number, the answer is an even number. So you have to know this fact to get the 2nd mark. So something times an even number will give you an answer of an even number. That could be an odd number times an even number, or an even number times an even number will give you an even number. So you'll get the 1 mark for saying true and the evidence, and then the 1 mark for the explanation.